Stop Chrome from saving more of your data than you want. Here's how to tighten your privacy settings. Chrome can save your passwords, payment information, addresses, browsing history, and other activity, especially if you're signed in with a Google account and have certain features enabled. If you'd rather keep less of that information, here's what to change. First, open Chrome and tap the three dots in the top right corner. Go to Settings, then Autofill and Passwords. Open Google Password Manager, tap Settings, and turn off Offer to Save Passwords and Auto Sign In if you don't want Chrome saving your passwords or automatically signing you in. Go back and open Payment Methods. Turn off Save and Fill Payment Methods, then open Addresses and More and disable Save and Fill Addresses. Chrome will no longer offer to save or automatically fill that personal information. Next, let's reduce the amount of activity saved to your Google account. Open a new tab and go to myaccount.google.com. Sign in if needed, then open Data and Privacy. Under History Settings, tap Web and App Activity. Turning this off prevents much of your search activity, Chrome browsing activity, and interactions with Google services from being saved to your Google account going forward. If you'd like to remove activity that's already been saved, tap Delete and choose All Time, then Confirm. While you're there, you can also turn off location history and YouTube history. Disabling these settings reduces the amount of location and YouTube activity Google stores in your account. Now, head back to Chrome Settings. Tap You and Google, then Sync, then open Manage What You Sync. Switch from Sync Everything to Customize Sync, then turn off anything you don't want synced across your devices. If you disable sync entirely, information like browsing history, passwords, and open tabs won't be shared between devices signed into your Google account. Next, open Privacy and Security, then Ads Privacy. Turn off Ad Topics, Site-Suggested Ads, and Ad Measurement. This limits Chrome's Privacy Sandbox ad personalization features, though websites may still use cookies and other technologies for advertising. One more important step: check your extensions. Review each installed extension and its permissions. If an extension can read and change data on all websites or access information it doesn't need, consider removing it. Only keep extensions you trust and actually use. These changes won't make you completely anonymous online, but they can significantly reduce the amount of personal information Chrome and your Google account save, while giving you more control over your privacy. In this tutorial, we improved Chrome privacy by adjusting several key settings to reduce data collection and improve control over personal information. First, we disabled Chrome's autofill features by turning off password saving and auto sign-in, as well as disabling the ability to save payment methods and addresses. Next, we reduced Google account activity tracking by turning off web and app activity, location history, and YouTube history. We also optionally deleted previously stored activity to clear past data. After that, we adjusted Chrome sync settings by switching from full sync to customized sync or disabling sync entirely to limit what data is shared across devices. We then reduced ad personalization by turning off ad topics, site-suggested ads, and ad measurement in Chrome's privacy settings. Finally, we reviewed installed extensions and removed any that had excessive or unnecessary permissions, especially those that could access browsing data across websites. Overall, these steps significantly reduce how much personal data Chrome and Google store and use while giving you more control over your privacy.